Okay, so before we get started on how to create your entire website using AI, let's understand why we use WordPress as the software. So the most important three criteria here is that first, WordPress is very scalable and highly customizable. So this is the reason why a lot of web agencies are using WordPress to design websites for business owners, for local businesses, because WordPress is very customizable. So you can even change the coding to make WordPress work the way you want. So that's the number one reason. Second is that it's very cost efficient. In fact, WordPress is free to use. You can just go to WordPress.org, download the software, install your web hosting, then you can start the WordPress website. So it's very cost efficient, and also there's a lot of free plugins and also themes that you can use. So let's take a look at the WordPress website. So this is the official WordPress website, WordPress.org. And if you were to go to under extend and click on themes, you can see that there are more than 12,000 free themes that you can use for the WordPress website. So we have a very huge community to constantly contribute WordPress templates, themes for users around the world to use. And if you click on plugins, we have over 59,000 free plugins. And plugins purpose is to enhance the functions and the features of the website. So that's really a lot of resources available for WordPress. So that's why WordPress has a lot of users around the world, especially local businesses. Small businesses are using WordPress to power their business website. However, WordPress does have its challenges. We'll take a look in the next lesson. Thank you.